Hello there. I stopped at Hobby Lobby last week and this is what I found. They had the spring shop over 60% off, and I decided to get this confetti for some paper flowers to put this in the middle and then maybe put stickles on or something. And this set, it's wooden pieces. Let me turn it around. It was $2.49, 54 pieces. And you see a butterfly, a watering can, a birdhouse, flowers, bees, bird, another flower, and another butterfly. I'll show you what the bird looks like. And then I got these mini composition books. They were, I think, $1. So there's 4 different designs in there with the color outlined. And then I think, just a moment, and then I took those from the bakery section. They also ended up being $1 for air clay. And these are the imprints. Here's another set with little hearts. Yum yum. It's even good for making some candy pieces and so on. And these ducks I got, and they were $2.49, but half off, $1.25. And then we went to, my granddaughter was with me, and we went to Five Below, and I got these cards, the index cards. They're 100 sheets. And I got this Care Bear journal. So there are tabs up here with the plastic, and there is dotted line on the inside. This is the other choice. Here's another one. And the blue one over here looks like this. And then that's the back. Thank you for stopping again, friends.